So, I've been improving at rendering and drawing faces, but gesture drawing, that's where I'm struggling. I can draw the body, just not in an over-the-top dynamic way. So, what's stopping me from practicing gestures? Well, I don't start with a traditional sketch. Let me show you an example. And that's how I begin my drawings, and as you can see, I've been painting with just color for so long that I've gotten rusty at sketching. So I might as well start doing some manga art to, learn line art and stuff. So let's get started. Oh wait. As you can probably tell, I'm way more drawn to manga with heavy detail and that gritty, almost real but not quite vibe. Stuff that feels textured, raw, even a bit chaotic sometimes. It's not just eye candy, it feels like something. Like the art is carrying weight, emotion, atmosphere, all without saying anything. Because it's been a while, I thought about doing some practice. Please don't laugh. I don't know what the fuck I am doing. Let's start with a sketch. Now draw. Don't know how? Maybe I will make video on it later. So of course, this is just my first time, so I am bound to make mistakes, and during this attempt I learned a lot. Using this reference, I tried to do her lips. And not gonna lie, it looks good. I'm kind of proud of that part. That subtle curve came out better than expected. So here's what not to do when drawing manga art. And I don't know why, but for some reason, I grayed out the background, which is not how it's usually done. Like, characters are supposed to pop against full white in manga. That contrast is super important. In pursuit of realistic, detailed manga, I butchered my art. Sometimes less detail is more detail if you do not know shit. And never use gray shading for shadows or darker part. Instead use screen tones, or do hatching, which looks way better. I will be showing example after I am done fucking up here. So from here, I actually started analyzing, and through effort, I decoded the secret technique, is what I wished I could say. Shinichi Sakamoto, the artist of Climber, revealed his technique in Instagram Reel. It's a technique where you draw uniform parallel lines, then erase it with a really small size brush to give an ink-like texture. Before, I was hatching randomly and it looked ugly, so I reworked everything with same uniform and neat hatching, and using erasing technique to erase few and keeping some. Fuck, I am still drawing? As you can see, I will be fast forwarding a lot because I think I have gone through all the points I can think of. Maybe slowing down for some parts I think are important. So, before I start with the next drawing, which will be heavily edited and sped up, if you all have any question or request for a video, please comment down below, or you can also message me through Discord or Instagram. If it involves images, I will be happy to help. And midway through my drawing, I actually created a new brush, which works too good for time it took to create. Click on the top right, pop up on your screen to see what this brush is capable of. So this will be end for this voiceover. Thanks for watching.